Hello everyone, Shio here. Today, I'd like to show a specific issue about instantiation in Ultimate Character Controller 3. So, I'm trying to set up a if flashbang here. Uh, sorry. So, if I throw it on the ground here, we get a flash of light and the enemy is in a stun state. So far so good, but if I throw another one, we get the state activation, but not the light effect. So my explosion prefab contains a custom script here, which manually twins a light intensity, and apparently it is not called, it may not be called again when it is put on an object that already contains the explosion component. Just to show you, let me switch to a test project and first of all show you this. This is a simple scene with Adventure Creator that spawns a simple object every 2 seconds. This object here simply sends this line. Alright, so let's see it in action. Oh, sorry, there's an error. What happened there? Oh, it's just a UI thing. So there you go. Every 2 seconds, you get these logs in the console. Now let's go to the demo scene from UCC3. And we're gonna go to the throwable section. Oh, there's a bug with the trajectory gizmo and the grenade becoming invisible, by the way, here. So we got this log twice, but not thrice. We're not getting it again. If I keep throwing grenades, a third one should eventually come, and that's what happened. But we just threw much more than just 3 grenades, so something's wrong here. So this issue reminds me of a of the one of the grenade health issue. I But a few months ago, I reported that when you tried shooting at a grenade and using the on-death event to trigger something, this would only happen a few times. So it really makes me think of this issue. Okay, so that's all for now. And just one last thing. Yeah, the one thing I don't really understand is that the projectile base uses the instantiate function, which comes from which comes from game object. It's a standard Unity function, last I heard, so it should be okay. Although, no, wait. Let's say Unity Engine Utility. That's UCC stuff actually. Um, okay, just one last thing actually. Um, Alright, we're going to use this explosion prefab, which contains no explosion, only a light effect. You're going to understand why. There, can you see it? We don't get the state change which comes from the explosion component. However, we can start the light effect as many times as we want when the explosion component is missing. So I don't know if there's an actual explanation for that, but I don't know, I can't see any reason for why the explosion component would disable other components on the same object. And if there would be a reason for that, then why the hell is it not disabled the first time or the rare few times it happens? Either way, there is something wrong here. Sorry, one last thing I stupidly forgot. I'm going back to the spawn test scene, and instead of a simple debug prefab, um, I used the explosion for the grenades. So now if we hit play, we get the logs every time, as expected. So there must be something wrong with the way it is instantiated through a flow. Alright, that's all for tonight. Thank you again for watching. Have a good day or a good night. Bye.